Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food vlog. Now let's start making on how to make the easy milky pastillas in 3 ingredients. For the ingredients, we need 1 can of condensed milk or 400 grams of condensed milk, 2 1/2 cup of powdered milk, and for the last, we need 1/4 cup of white sugar. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the easy milky pastillas. For the first step, place the condensed milk in a large mixing bowl. Then put the half of the powdered milk, then gradually fold in the powdered milk to the condensed milk. Then add the remaining powdered milk and mix it well. The texture of the mixture should be similar to a dough. You can use your hands to easily fold in the powdered milk. Just make it sure to wash your hands before and after handling foods. Then scoop a small amount of a mixture, then mold it in a round shape. Then roll it or cover it by the sugar, then place it in a baking pan or in a plate. Then do the same procedure to the remaining pastillas mixture. In these videos, and for the ingredients, you can make 40 to 50 pieces of the pastillas, depends on the size that you want to make. Then use a toothpick and place it to the middle of your pastillas. This toothpick will help you to hold your pastillas and to easily for you to eat it rather than using of your bare hands. And this is our easy milky pastillas. Serve with a smile and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Vlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love.